Hi y'all, it's me. I'm very excited to share with you what I got in the mail from scrapbook.com. I was super excited about this. So let me tell you a little story. I went on vacation, and so prior to vacation I was in the search of a larger format cutting machine, and I knew that there was many to choose from, but I've always loved Big Shot, and so I kind of thought, you know, well, I'm just going to stick with what I love because I've had Big Shots. I have a Big Shot. I have a smaller one right here, which is the regular sized Big Shot. And I thought, you know, why, you know, try to change the wheel? Everything is good. I'm going to stick with it. However, before I left on vacation, I didn't want to chance it coming when I wasn't here, and etc. So I was pretty set on getting it. And at the time, the option was to get a gray and white one because that's the only color they have it in the Pro. I mean the Big Shot Plus, I'm sorry. The Big Shot Plus only comes in gray and white. And so I got back from vacation and I'm looking on the internet, and all of a sudden I see this limited edition that scrapbook.com had, and it's in pink and rose gold, and I was like, oh yes, now it's time to order. So I did, and it's here, and I wanted to share it with you as I open it. Again, the reason I got this is I have dies that are wider than my little Big Shot, and I want to be able to cut them, and I just can't because they don't fit in the little ones. So this one is 8.5 by 11, which is perfect. So let me open this up. Sorry if I move the camera or whatever. This is really a big box and hard to manipulate. I want to share it with you as I open the box here because she's a beauty. I can't wait to share it. Okay, let's go. Let's pull her out here. Here she comes. I hope I'm in camera because I can't see what I'm filming. Oops, here we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, she's pretty. Okay, hold on. Let me get this out of the way. And I'm going to pull off this styrofoam here. Oops, there we go. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay, I love pink. Can you tell? It's on my nails. Anyway, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just, it's perfect. It's what I would have dreamed for, wished for. It came true that I would get something other than gray and white. So it's limited edition. It's 8.5 by 11, which is perfect. It has this detailing on it, this geometric design here. It's a rose gold geometric foil design on here, and that follows along the edges as well. It says limited edition there, and then over here you have the other side, and that comes off. That's just a caution label, and this is where you'll put the handle. So let's look at what else came in this package. I took the other stuff out so it would be ready. This is an free extended warranty you can get. This is the handle, which it's rose gold and pink, so pretty. And basically all you do is you slide this on this little tool, this little screw there, and they give you this kit that has a tiny little screw in it, a little washer, the tool you need to put the screw in, and then a cover. So you just basically screw the screw in, the washer, and then tighten it up, and then put that little cap over it, which covers it up at the end. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It also comes with your instruction manual that teaches you all about how to use your plates, etc., etc. But if you're familiar with Big Shot, you would already probably know this. It's just in a larger format is all. And then you get your cutting plates, which are your base plate. As you can see there, it's quite large. You get your shims, which are for different materials that you want to cut, whether you're using a thin die or these little wafer dies. That's what that's for. And then this one's for embossing folders and such like that. So use that adapter, and then you get your 2 clear plates. So anyway, this is the Big Shot Plus, good for 8.5. They say 8.5 by 11 material. I guess that's because that's what this is, but I think it really doesn't matter this way. I think it more matters this way. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with her. I just wanted to share it so that I could play with her. And I hope you have a good day. I hope you, if you're considering a machine, think about the Big Shot, because it's been a gem for me. I've had no issues with my Big Shot, my little one. In fact, I've had two because I have a backup one for the one I have, and I love them. So if you love pink, now's the time to grab it. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.